Mitchell, the Twin Towers on the floor. Choi takes it away.
Takes it right out of his hands.
You know Squam is 6'11", right? Treated him like a baby there.
I don't think he asked.
Last shot time. Oh! The Hail Mary for Heo Ung.
Heo Ung makes a half-court bank shot
To give the Bolts the lead, 36-35. Oh! That's a round-robin layup. Ho Yoon to Ho. Newsom draped all over him. Ho takes him to the baseline. What about Ho with a drop here?
Looks like Newsom was expecting some help to come baseline.
Under 4 remaining in the third. Choi bounces. Williams hesitates. Gives it up. Ho for deep. Punches it through. This is going to end up as the highest scoring quarter for both of these sides. You called it. Something's got to give. Look at that 2-on-1 break. Executed to perfection. Under 3 minutes now remaining in this game. Ho knocks down a three.
Right on time, right back at you.
Kennedy come to life once again. Busan sitting on a 2-3 zone. Burton with a steal. They go to Ho. He's got space. Ho. Bang! That's 26 big points now for Heo Ung. Lee Sung-Yun with a big rebound. Ho gets it up to Burton. Back to Ho. Will it be 3 in a row? Ba-ba-bang!
It will be 3 in a row.
What a time for it to come. 10 to shoot. Ho bottled up again. Ho against Newsom. Another 3. Bang!
4 in a row. Are you kidding me? You talk about players stepping up when the lights are the brightest. Right.
About a 5-second differential between the clocks. Newsom to the cup, loses control. Here comes Busan for the lead. Heo Ung is a man possessed.
Unbelievable. Big time players make big time plays.
This is your 2024-25 EASL